This is a video introduction to the Gladinet client. Gladinet client can deliver your familiar web applications and online storages to your desktop and integrate them into the Windows operating system. After the integration, online storages become local folders. Web applications become local applications. The main user interface of the Gladinet client is a sys-tray application. Click My Gladinet Drive will bring you to all the virtual folders. For example, I have my Amazon storage, Amazon Simple Storage Service S3 as a local folder. I have Microsoft SkyDrive as a local folder too. Google doesn't have a standalone storage service. However, its storage is available through Google Docs, Google Picasa, and other Google services such as Gmail. Google Docs. I can access my Google Docs documents as local folders and local files. I can access Google Picasa web albums as local folders. As you can see here, I have many web albums. There are other folders, virtual folders in the Gladinet drive, and you can see the drive letter is Z drive, and it could be something different. These other folders are from my remote machines. Gladinet client delivers my web services to my desktop. My remote PCs are part of the web as soon as they are connected to the internet. They can provide me with the storage services from remote hard drives. You can use Connection Manager to see your remote PCs. My computers and Connection Manager. As you see here, I have about 7 PCs. Some are here, some are remote, and 2 of them are online right now. And this download directory is actually on a remote PC. You can use Virtual Directory Manager to mount online storage or remote folders. If you want to make your, and here's a look of the Virtual Directory Manager. If you want to make your local folder available to your other PCs, you can right-click a folder and do Add to my Gladinet drive. As soon as you add this folder to your Gladinet virtual drive, the content of this folder is going to be available to your other PCs that has the same login from the Gladinet. My applications. You can enable your web applications here. There are 2 types of web applications. The first type are the standalone ones, such as Google Mail, Google Calendar, and Google Picasa. One of the benefits of launching the web applications from here is there's only 2 or 3 clicks to launch it. It's easy. The other type of web application is done through the Windows File Type Association. For example, I have an Excel spreadsheet. I can right-click and say Open with Google Docs, or I can open with Zoho Sheet or ThinkFree. These are the three different Excel spreadsheet online applications. So I can directly use an online spreadsheet application to modify my local file. So that's the second way of access the online application. You can share specific folder or file with friends through the Gladinet. What you can do is, let's say you want to share this folder. You can right-click and say Share using Gladinet. You can send a share to other Gladinet user, or you can send it through email. And let's say once you received a share from your friend and import that into the Gladinet drive, you can find all your shares here. So remember, the Gladinet drive is your one-stop resource aggregator. You can find your online storage, you can find your remote folders, and you can find your shared folders coming from your friends. You can also do remote access. If the remote PC has RDP enabled, such as the Windows XP Professional or Vista Business and above, you can do RDP over the Gladinet virtual network across the firewalls. Or if you have VNC installed on the remote PC, you can do remote access by using VNC. On to WebTop. WebTop is a local preview of what is coming in the future versions of the Gladinet. Even though it looks like a Windows application, it's pure HTML and JavaScript based technology, so it is possible for you to do everything from a browser. And you can do that without any software installed locally. For example, here's the virtual directory manager. That has the same virtual directory manager interface as the one started from the sys tray. And here's the connection manager. That has exactly the same interface as the one started from the sys tray too. And here, the most important one, my Gladinet virtual drive. Here's my Amazon storage, and here's my Microsoft SkyDrive. And I can right-click a Word document sitting in my Amazon storage and open with the Zoho Writer. As you can see here, the web browser, the online storage, and the web application, all in one place, the WebTop.